Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Shopify error processing customer payments. So there are few things you should need to do here or you should need to know for you to fix this issue. So one of those is you have to ensure that the proper configuration of your payment gateway. Now confirm that your payment gateway is accurate and set up and activated within your Shopify storage settings. Now additionally, validate if the chosen payment gateway supports the currency configured in your store. Now to do this, you need to go to settings at the bottom left here, and from here you want to go ahead and go to the payments section, and from here you just need to adjust your payments. So typically you have the Shopify payments here, but you also have the additional payments here. So they might be using the additional payments here that you might have set up. So in this case, you just need to properly set it up or check a few settings if it's actually properly working. Now you also need to conduct a trial transaction with your payment gateway so as certain the functionality of your payment gateway by executing a trial transaction. So initiate a small order using a test credit card provided by a payment gateway to verify if the payment system is operational as intended. Now a thing that you should be checking here is you need to validate your payment settings. Now do a double check and the accuracy of your payment settings within the Shopify. Now navigate to your storage administ panel and click on settings, same thing that we hear right now, and click on payments. Ensure that the chosen payment method is configured correctly and is enabled state. In this case, you also have to enable that, so make sure that it's actually enabled. Now the next thing you need to do here, if those things doesn't work, you need to reach out to your payment gateway provider. Now if challenges persist despite the above measures, there might be an underlying issue with your payment gateway provider. Contact their customer support to assistance and resolving the problem. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.